You're training hard, you're staying consistent, but your muscle gains are nowhere to be found. If that sounds like you, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll be breaking down the real reasons why your training might be failing you. I am Alex from ATeam Fitness, and I'm here to help you move better, train smarter, and build real strength that lasts. Let's go.
Reason number one, you're not lifting heavy enough.
Let's go heavier. Progression overload is key. Your body adapts. If you're doing the same weights, same reps, you're just maintaining, you're not really growing. Muscle growth starts when the comfort ends. Yes. Ooh. So don't be afraid of increasing the weights. Just make sure you're not compromising form.
Reason number two, you are undereating.
If you want to grow, you need to fuel. Most people either skip meals, undereat, or avoid carbs completely. Muscles are just metabolic expensive, so it needs calories to build and maintain. If you want a tip, aim for enough protein. Generally speaking, 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Carbs for energy, and don't fear a small calorie surplus if muscle is your goal.
Reason number three, you're not recovering right.
Let's go up again. The muscles grow when you rest, so that means sleep, mobility, stress management. Lifting is not just about the stimulus. Recovery is where the gains happen. So recovery is definitely key. So if you tell me that you're training 6 days a week, but you're sleeping 5 hours a night, my friend, I cannot sugarcoat that for you. That's definitely not a recipe to grow your muscles. It's a recipe for burning out.
Reason number four, too much volume, not enough intensity.
Doing 12 exercises in a workout does not guarantee growth. Listen, you need tension, not just time. Focus on form, load, and reps that actually challenge you, not just chasing for a pump. Ooh. So try to lift heavier over time, eat to grow, recover like it matters, and train with intent. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the ATeam. We're just getting started, guys.